What's up, Vechain coin holders? What's going on this time, my friends? The Vechain price is pumps up 1.05%. The Vechain price is increased, so definitely it's really good news, my friend, from all Vechain holders to the price will increase now. And I never expect this, my friend, from Vechain to the will pumps up like that. But really, it's good news, my friend. So thanks for watching and thanks for all my viewers, my holders, to you have subscribed our YouTube channel. Really thank you first of all to complete my 15,000 subscriber. This is a really huge family, my friend, and absolutely they are all earn a lot of money from crypto. So therefore I am really appreciated now, my friends, to my viewers, my subscriber earn a lot of money. If you are also new in our channel, kindly subscribe this channel. Thank you so much, my brother. All right, so this time you can see here the Vechain price, my brother, is absolutely increasing now. Today we will talk about, my friends, the Vechain next pump. To in upcoming time, can Vechain will pumps up or they will dumps down more and more. So definitely, my friend, it's possible, my friends, to in upcoming time the price will pumps up in the term condition. You can say the current condition is also not bad. It's really good now. So therefore 100% it's chance, my friends, to upcoming time the price will more increase. And definitely, my friend, if we watch this pump, so this is very temporary and very short pump, because you can see they were urgently moving upward, and after that, my friend, as you can see here, they will starting dumps down. So therefore, my friend, is this condition, if you can see, my friend, in the circle, you can see here this is temporary pump and temporary dump. But if we check out, my friends, so they will completely on the profit, they will never fails down. You can see here the line is here, the resistance line. You can see this is the white dot line, 0.129 USD dollar, but they will come up to 0.132 USD dollar. Definitely it's temporary and very short term, and I can't expect this also, my friend, from Vechain to they will move upward like that. But definitely it's really good news for all of you to the price will increasing. Thanks for watching, my Vechain coin holders. In upcoming term the really huge pumps is coming soon, but for you need to hold and you need, my friends, to buy. So I hope, my friends, in upcoming term the price will more and more pumps up. Vechain coin holders, kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time they will give you a very huge profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.